Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable the Google floating keyboard. So this is my Samsung phone, and if I want to write a message, now I have the Google keyboard, also called Gboard. It's enabled on my phone. And we have the option floating keyboard, and let me show you what this means. For that, just tap here in the left corner on this icon, and here we have floating. Tap on it, and this is the floating keyboard. Now if you tap on it, the corners are highlighted, and if you put your finger here, you can make it smaller, and also we have here the reset button. Tap on it and we are back. And if you tap on this line, you can move the keyboard wherever you want. So this is a nice option that we have this floating keyboard, and maybe for some people this keyboard is very useful. Now to disable this keyboard, tap again on this icon and tap on floating, and we are back to the original keyboard. If you want to have a quick access to this floating keyboard, you can do it. Tap again here, and now push it long on floating and move the icon here like this, and now let's go back. And now to access the floating keyboard, just tap here, and here there is, and to disable, tap again, and we are back to the original keyboard. So in my opinion, it's a good option to have this floating keyboard. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.